The sand-grouse bird from the Sahara soaks its belly feathers with water to carry it back to its chicks. It flies miles in the hot sun, keeping its babies hydrated with this cool trick. The leafy sea dragon from Australia sways like seaweed with leaf-like fins to hide from predators. It drifts through oceans, munching tiny shrimp without being noticed. The lemur from Madagascar taps trees with a super long finger to find grubs. It gnaws holes with its teeth, pulling out snacks with ninja-like moves. The Himalayan monal, a colorful pheasant, flashes iridescent feathers to impress mates. It struts on rocky slopes, showing off blues and greens like a living jewel. The purple gallinule from the Americas tiptoes on water plants with bright purple feathers. It snatches bugs and seeds, balancing like a tightrope walker. The thorny dragon lizard from Australia collects dew with spiky skin that acts like a sponge. It channels water to its mouth, surviving dry days like a desert pro. The Dumbo octopus from the deep ocean flaps ear-like fins to hover in the dark. It snags prey with sticky tentacles, glowing softly in the deep-sea night. The kinkajou from Central America uses its tongue like a straw to sip nectar. This nighttime climber swings with a tail that grips like a fifth hand. The marker goat from the Himalayas has crazy twisted horns up to 5 feet long. It climbs steep cliffs, using them to battle rivals in epic showdowns. The roseate tern from coastal marshes dives headfirst to catch fish midair. Its pinkish glow in flight makes it look like a flying sunset. The fennec fox from the Sahara digs burrows with ears that hear prey underground. These huge ears also cool it down in the scorching heat. The vampire squid from the deep sea turns its arms into a cloak to hide from threats. It releases glowing mucus to confuse predators in the dark. The sloth bear from India sucks up termites with a vacuum-like snout. It shuffles through trees, leaving a trail of munching sounds. The ibex from the Alps balances on tiny ledges with rubbery hooves. It leaps across cliffs, escaping danger with fearless grace. The anhinga bird from the Americas spears fish with a spear-like beak. It swims underwater, popping up like a sleek submarine. The camel spider from the Middle East runs 10 miles per hour to chase prey. It hides under rocks, waiting to pounce with lightning speed. The chambered nautilus from the Pacific grows a spiral shell with pearly chambers. It floats using gas, exploring the ocean like a living submarine. The tamarin monkey from the Amazon has a mustache like a tiny king. It leaps through trees, chattering with its colorful crew. The lammergeier vulture from the Pyrenees drops bones from heights to crack them. It soars with a wingspan that casts huge shadows. The bittern bird from European marshes booms like a foghorn to call mates. It hides in reeds, its striped neck blending perfectly. The sidewinder snake from the southwest U.S. moves sideways to glide over sand. It leaves J-shaped tracks, striking prey with a quick twist. The lion's mane jellyfish from the Arctic has tentacles up to 120 feet long. It drifts like a floating forest, catching plankton with ease. The potto from African jungles has spiky fingers to grip branches tight. It moves slow and silent, surprising fruit with its sticky tongue. The chinchilla from the Andes has fur so dense it needs dust baths. It hops on rocks, staying fluffy in the chilly air. The purple swamp hen from Australia paddles with red legs like a splash of paint. It digs for roots, leaving colorful ripples behind. The onager, a wild ass from the Gobi, kicks with force to fend off wolves. It races across dunes, its speed a blur in the dust. The frilled shark from the Atlantic has 300 teeth in 25 rows to catch prey. It lurks in depths, looking like a living fossil. The bongo antelope from Central Africa has stripes that glow in moonlight. It crashes through bushes, hiding from hunters with flair. The Himalayan tahr from Nepal scales cliffs with curved horns. It grazes on tough plants, thriving where few dare to go. The moorhen from European ponds flips food with clever feet. It dives for snacks, popping up with a cheeky splash.